cumulative effect of these three layers is that your image gains apparent sharpness and texture depth without you having painted or modified any actual detail. The technique works because different blend modes interact with highlights and shadows differently. Overlay emphasizes mid-tone contrast. Soft light creates gentler transitions. Hard light produces dramatic contrast. When layered together at varying opacities, they create complex visual texture that appears organic. Now apply a very subtle curves adjustment to each layer slightly differently. The first layer might get a gentle S-curve, the second a different S-curve with different anchor points. This variation prevents the effect from looking mechanical or applied.